Hi everyone, welcome to Po Toi Island. And behind me are my sisters, Kara and Kring Kring. So today we're full packed. There's 11 of us today going around Po Toi. My dad is there. My sisters, Eds, Nikai, and Rachel. So once you get here, we're not gonna go right. We're gonna turn left this way. Dire left. Yeah, if you need to go to the toilet, we turn left as well. So following the this path, this is the restaurant over here, and that's Tin Hao Temple over there. We're gonna go to that side as well. And the toilet is right on that side. So here, this is where the toilet is. Turn right. You can come there. Okay, if you walk all the way here to Tin Hao Temple and go straight along the big rocks, this is the view around this side. So you get to see these big rocks over here. You can see that, and there's a toilet form of rock over there also. So yeah, it's a very nice place. This is my second time coming here. So we walk back, and here, this is where we are going. So we took the left path. Just go straight, follow the path, going up, and you're gonna see a small tower around this area. Yeah, there you go. That's it. And we're gonna turn right around there. And that's where we're heading, going up all the way there. Yeah, I'm gonna fly my drone soon. Well, going up, and this is what we can see here. Here you go. That's Ed's Rachel and Nikai. If we're gonna come here, it's quite safe and not too hard. I think if you're a beginner, you wanna see a nice view, you can come here. So that's where we're heading still. We're gonna pass to this side. Oh, there's a pier over there, and now we're here. Gotta go up all the way there. It's good. You feel like Hong Kong, huh?
Yeah, I see it. Coming here is like, am I back home?
Yeah. And that's the ferry that we're gonna take later. But still 3:30. We have to be at the boat ready, or at 3.
Dito. 1, 2, 3.
Padagi. Okay, let me introduce you guys to the partner of my partner. This is Rachel from DLSU De La Salle, and she'll be playing with now this nationals this year. Yeah, so that's why you need like proper shoes here. And look guys, if you're here, don't rely too much with these things, because they can a lot of posts that I've seen aren't stable. So if you can, if as much as possible, don't try to rely on those. Let's go. So we're gonna go all the way to the opposite side. Look, now this is the highlight. When you're there, you can go there. If you want, you can go up there too if you want. Pero yan yung highlight dito. Look at the view. Wow. Right? Oh, wow. It's amazing.
And to see it from here, is it the thumb?
Yeah.
And then here's so it's really, really hard to really get a picture of it or get how to see it.
Yeah. This is the middle finger.
The middle finger.
Oh yeah, me too. These things, these characters, declared monument rock carvings on Po Toi Island. The rock carvings on Po Toi Island were found in the 1960s.
The two groups at 9 rock carvings which are scattered along the coastline remote island of Hong Kong.
No, we should check that out. So this is the road 2. The middle part is road 1. Side that where we pass is the road 3. So that's the road that I really suggest you to go. But if you just want to come here without the climbing, without the hiking, not too much elevation, then road 2 is the way. So guys, if we're gonna pass here, you're just gonna pass through the restaurant going home. So yeah, you'll be passing here, passing through. So guys, if you're here, I do advise you to buy some local stuff too that they're selling. so that you can support the locals that are living here. It is such a beautiful island to go around, hang out, or even like camp. If you want to camp, oh, such a nice place to be in. Okay guys, that's it for our adventure today. That's it for Po Toi Adventure. And yes, that was an easy hike, but a very beautiful scene. And yeah, if you haven't already, please do like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.